Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to work with borders in CSS. So let's get right into it. First, we wrote a paragraph saying I want a border. Let's do our go live extension. Here we go. We are going to open our style tag so we can style it inside our HTML file. Now we are going to create a class, not a class, but we are going to change the element P. Everything inside here will be a style. Now we are going to put font size bigger so you can see it better. Okay, now we are going to start with the border style. The border style have many styles. The first one is the none. None, you don't have a border. The hidden, it's hidden. It's there but we cannot see it. Now we are going to start with the dot. The dot make points. It's very easy to understand. A dashed makes a little bit large dots. Solid, the most default one. There's a lot of them, lots. You just put the two dots and you can see all the types that we have in here. Now with the solid border, it works for anyone, but I'm going to use the solid as an example. We're going to use the border width. The border width is to specify the width of the border. So let's check it. We can put thin, very thin, very thick. There is more between those two, but the best way is to put numbers. Here you can see. Now to the border colors that I've taught you guys in the last video about colors. You probably already know, but border color, and you can put any color around there, like coral. It will change. You can also use, you can also use RGB, X, HCSL. You can choose any color you want to. You may also want to use different border styles in different positions. As an example, border style. You can put dot. You can put solid, double, dashed. And here we have first our dotted, then our solid, then our double, and our dashed. But if you cannot really work with that, you can put border, top, style, and put dashed here. The top will be dashed, then border, left, style, dot. Here we go, and etc. Now let's get to the border shorthand. How does it work? The border shorthand is basically a simple way of using borders. So we can put as an example the width, for example on RAM, the border style, solid, and the color, red. Here we go. It makes one RAM width, border, border style solid, and border color red. And lastly, we are going to put the border radius. The radius is basically how much the border will be rounded. So if you put here 2 rem, it will be very rounded. If you only put 1 rem, it will be less rounded. If you put just 0.1 you can almost see it. And here we go. It looks pretty nice, I would say. For this video is enough. Thank you guys and see you soon in the next video.